coming with Cachumber. I know, you know it already, but try it this way. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 6 guests. We need 1 sliced onion. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Using your hand, mix well. Leave it for 5 minutes. Squeeze the water. Transfer to a bowl. Carrot julienne, 1 each. Cucumber, finely sliced half. Finely chopped green chilies, 1. Finely chopped cilantro. Squeeze fresh lemon juice, half of it. All into a bowl. Combine with a fork. And enjoy the freshness of the Kachumber salad. The Kachumber is ready. Let's try it. Beautiful. Very good combination for biryanis, kushkas. In my channel, there are a lot of recipes are there. Please visit my channel and try it. Bye.